All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Jeep Patriot. It is the sport model, beautiful white with black interior, alloy wheels, roof racks, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, super nice, fog lights. Best of all, minimal damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood does have a little chippy right there, very small minimum. Other than that, we look pretty good. This fender looks good. Here's your front driver steel wheel, very nice. Your tire tread here is over 730 seconds. Over 730 seconds, under 730 seconds over 4. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. Your tire tread under 730 seconds, above 4. Let me double check. That's right. Here's your nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. I thought I saw a ding. Yeah, there's a little dingy here on this. No, it's a little dingy there on this door. Got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. We jump in here, check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Got your AM, FM stereo system, AM, FM CD player on it and all that good stuff. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure and your mileage of 34,049. Pretty much completes the tour. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty good. Rear deck lid looks good. Here's your rear trunk space. And what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and you get your owner's manuals there, and your front license plate bracket there. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim, a rear passenger rim. Tire tread is under 730 seconds, above 4. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Coming around, front fender looks pretty good. Does have 1 ding, 2 dings, 3 dings. One has paintwork off and the other 2 don't. Here's your rear front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire tread under 430 seconds. Let me double check. Under 730 seconds, above 4. Fog lights, all lights are working, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Jeep Patriot sport model with 34,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.